Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. In our previous lecture we learned about division of numbers. Today we are going to start test paper 1 and the first question we have, find the square roots of the following. So we have a value 15.21. Firstly we make pair and then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. So we take 3 multiplied by 3 because when we multiply 3 with 3 we have 9 which is less than 15. If we take 4, so 4 4 is 16, 16 is greater than 15, so we take 3. यानी अगर हम यहाँ पर 4 और 4 लेते हैं क्योंकि हमने डिवाइज़र और कोशेंट सेम लेना होता है, तो अगर हम यहाँ वैल्यू 4 ले लेते, 4 मल्टीप्लाई 4 इज़ इक्वल टू 16, तो वो 15 से बड़ा हो जाता. हमने जो है वो 15 से छोटी वैल्यू लेनी है. वी टेक 3 एज वेल एज कोशेंट एंड डिवाइज़र. जब हमने इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया वी हैव 9. नाउ 15 minus 9 we have 6. Decimal move upward and the next pair bring down, so we have 621. Double the value, 3 plus 3 we have 6, and take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 9 as well as quotient and divisor, so 69 multiplied by 9 we have 621. It means that the square root of 15.26 is equal to 3.9. The next value we are going to square root of 73.96. So now we write the value. Firstly we make pair and then we have 73. If we take 7 multiplied by 7, 7 7s are 49. And if we take 8 8s are 64, it means that 64 is less than 73, so we take 8 8. If we take 9 9, then 9 9s are 81. 81 is greater than 73, so we take 8 8 because 8 8s are 64. So now we subtract 64 from 73. Here 1 is carry.
13 minus 4.
We have 9. Now here we have 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Decimal moves upward and the next value which is in the form of pair bring down. Double the value, 8 plus 8 we have 16. Now take a value as well as quotient and divisor and get 996 or less than 996. So we take 6. 166 multiplied by 6 we have 996. So it means that square root of 73.96 is equal to 8.6. The next question we have, evaluate 2 by 3 square root correct to 2 decimal places. Now we have 2 by स्क्वायर रूट 3. हमारे पास जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो स्क्वायर रूट की फॉर्म में है, तो सबसे पहले स्क्वायर रूट को हम जो ख़त्म करेंगे यानी इस रेडिकल को ख़त्म करेंगे, तो हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे स्क्वायर रूट 3 बाय स्क्वायर रूट 3. ओके, नाउ वी हैव 2 स्क्वायर रूट 3. जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 को स्क्वायर रूट 3 के साथ एंड square root 3 we have 3 square cut with square root. Now we have 2 square root 3 divided by 3. So अब हम जो है square root 3 हमारे पास है, तो हम इसका है square root ले लेंगे by division method. So we have 3. We take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We have 1 1s are 1. Now subtract 1 from 3 we have 2. Double the value. अब यहाँ हमने यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो है ये 1 था, इसको जब डबल किया हमारे पास 2 आ गया. अब 2 के साथ अगर हम 1 भी लेते हैं तो वो 21 होगा, लेकिन जो यहाँ पर हमारे पास वैल्यू है ये 21 से छोटी है. यानी अब हमने क्या करना है, हमने यहाँ पर पॉइंट लगाकर यहाँ पर हमने ज़ीरोज़ उतारने हैं पेयर की सूरत में. चूँकि हमारे पास जो यहाँ पर वैल्यू है ये छोटी है, तो हमने यहाँ पर पॉइंट लगा के इसको मूव किया अपवर्ड और यहाँ पर हमने ज़ीरोज़ एज अ पेयर ले लिए। अब हम इस पेयर को नीचे उतारेंगे तो हमारे पास जो है वो 200 हो जाएगा। इट मीन्स जो अब वैल्यू है ये इस वैल्यू से बड़ी होगी। अब अगर हम यहाँ पर वैल्यू लेते हैं 7, 27 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7, यानी जब हम 27 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 7 के साथ तो वी हैव 189। अगर 8 से करेंगे तो वो हमारे पास ग्रेटर आ जाएगा। नाउ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 189 फ्रॉम 200 वी हैव 11। Now double the value, 7 plus 7 we have 14, 1 carry to the next we have 3. It means we have 34. Now we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 3 as well as quotient and divisor and bring down the pair. Now we have 1100. If we multiply 343 with 3 we have 1029. We have 1029. Now we subtract 1029 from
1100.
we have 71. Now bring down another pair and double the values. 3 plus 3 we have 6, then 4, 3. Now we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 2 as well as quotient and divisor. When we multiply we have 6924. When we subtract we have 196. Now we have 3 decimal. So स्क्वायर रूट 3 की जो हमारे पास वैल्यू आई है वो है 1.732 डिवाइडेड बाय 3। हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1.732 को 2 से तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 3.464 डिवाइडेड बाय 3। नाउ वी डिवाइड 3.464 by 3, we have 1.1546, or if we talk about 2 decimals, so we have 1.15. So this is the answer. So 2 by square root 3 is equal to 1.15. The next question we have, if 25 multiplied by bracket square root 25 par a multiplied by square root 5 par 3 is equal to 5 square root 5, find a. So the next question we have 25 multiplied by square root 5 exponent a multiplied by square root 5 exponent 3 is equal to 5 square root 3. If we factorize 25 we have 5 square multiplied by square root 5. If we square root को हम change करें अगर exponent की form में तो we have 1/2 multiplied by exponent a. Here 5 1/2 exponent 3 which is equal to 5. If we write in the form of exponent we have 1/2. Now next we have 5 square multiplied by, according to the law, 1/2 multiplied by with a and 1/2 multiplied by with 3. So we write as 5 1/2 multiplied by a multiply 5 1/2 multiply 3 which is equal to 5. Here we have raised to power 1 multiplied by 5 1/2. So 5 square multiplied by 5, a ones are a by 2, and here we have 5 3 ones are 3/2, and according to the law if we combine the parts we have 5 1 plus 1/2. So 5 square multiplied by 5 a by 2 multiplied by 5 3/2 is equal to, we take LCM, we have 2 divided by 1 we have 2, then 2 ones are 2. Similarly 2 divided by 2 we have 1, and then multiply with 1 we have 1. So here also we take LCM. According to the law we combine the power because बेस हमारे पास जो है वो सेम है विच इज़ 5, तो इसकी पार्ट्स को हम कंबाइन करके लिख सकते हैं 2 प्लस a by 2 प्लस 3/2. According to this law a m multiplied by a n and if we combine the power we write as m plus n. Similarly हमने पार्ट्स को कंबाइन किया, यहाँ हमारे पास 2 के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर 1 है, सो हेयर वी हैव a/2 and then 3/2. Similarly 5 2 plus 1 we have 3/2. Now we take LCM. We have 2 divided by 1 we have 2, then multiply with this 2 we have 4. Similarly 2 divided by 2 we have 1 multiplied by a we have a. 2 divided by 2 we have 1 multiply with 3 we have 3, equal to 5 3/2. So 5 4 plus 3 we have 7 plus a divided by 2, because this is a variable, so हमारे पास जो सिंपल वैल्यू है वो प्लस होंगी और ये वेरिएबल इसी तरह ही आ जाएगा by 2, and then 5 3/2. नाउ द बेस आर सेम, दोनों की बेस सेम है, तो बेस जो है वो कैंसिल होगी, हमारे पास जो वैल्यू रह जाएगी वो होगी 7 plus a/2 इज इक्वल टू 3/2. 2 जो है वो 7 plus a से डिवाइड हो रहा है, अगर दूसरी तरफ इसको हम लेके जाएंगे तो ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तो वी हैव 7a इज इक्वल टू 3/2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. 2 से कट होगा, रिमेनिंग हमारे पास आएगा 7 plus a इज इक्वल टू 3. नाउ हमने क्योंकि a की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तो जो a है वो इसी तरफ रहेगा और 7 जो है ये दूसरी साइड चला जाएगा. 7 यहाँ पर जो है वो प्लस हो रहा है, दूसरी जो साइड पे जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, तो जो हमारे पास a की वैल्यू आएगी वो आएगी -4, बिकॉज प्लस माइनस माइनस 7 में से 3 माइनस करेंगे तो 4 आएगा. चूँकि हमारे पास जो है वो दोनों में से ग्रेटर वैल्यू 7 है और इसके साथ साइन माइनस का है, तो a इज इक्वल टू
-4 is answer.
The next question we have, question number 4, simplify. So we have square root 13.69 plus square root 18.49 divided by square root 15,129 minus square root 529. So we take square root of the values, then the answer is added and subtract. यानी हम इन चारों वैल्यूज़ का पहले स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे और फिर स्क्वायर रूट लेने के बाद ऊपर वाली दोनों वैल्यूज़ का जो स्क्वायर रूट होगा उसको प्लस करेंगे और नीचे वाली वैल्यूज़ के स्क्वायर रूट को माइनस करेंगे, देन उसको न्यूमिनेटर को डिवाइड करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर से और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन आंसर होगा. सो वी हैव 13.69. Firstly we make pair, then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 3 3s are 9. Subtract 9 from 13, we have 4. Then decimal moves upward, 69 bring down and we have 469. Now double the value, 3 plus 3 we have 6. Take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 7 as quotient and divisor. Now multiply 67 with 7, we have 469. It means that we have 3.7. The first square root of 13.69 we have 3.7. The next value we have 18.49. Firstly we make pair, then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 4 4s are 16. Subtract 16 from 18, we have 2. Now decimal moves upward and bring down the pair, which is 49. Double the value, 4 plus 4 we have 8. Then take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 3, so 83 multiplied by 3 we have 249, and the next square root we have 4.3. Similarly next value we have 529. Firstly we make pair and then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. 2 2s are 4. Then 5 minus 4 we have 1 and bring down 29. Then double the value, 2 plus 2 we have 4. We take 3 as well as quotient and divisor. Then 43 multiplied by 3 we have 129. So the square root of 529 is 23. Now the square root of 15,129. Firstly we make pair, then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. 1 1s are 1. Subtract 1 from 1, we have 0 and bring down the pair, 51. Double the value, 1 plus 1 we have 2. Then take a value with 2, we have 2. 22 multiplied 2 we have 44. Then 51 minus 44 we have 7. So bring down the pair, 29 we have 729. Double the value, 2 plus 2 we have 4, 24. and the other value which is take as well as quotient and divisor is 3. So 243 multiplied by 3 we have 729. So the square root is 123. Now we write the square root of the values. So the first value we have 3.7, the plus the square root of the second value we have 4.3, then divided by the first value which is 15,129. Square root is 123 minus square root of 529 is 23. Now we add the values, we have 8 and subtract 23 from 123 we have 100. So अब हमने इसकी कटिंग की है 4 से, तो 4 2 8 and 4 2 8, 2 carry 4 5 20. So we have 2 by 25 in the form of fraction. So this is the answer. The next question we have, find the square roots of the following numbers correct to 3 decimal places. So the question we have 2.8, we take square root of 2.8. Firstly we make pair, we have a value and then 0. Now we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. 1 1s are 1, subtract 1 from 2 we have 1, bring down the pair and decimal moves upward, we have 8 0. So now we have 180, double the value 1 plus 1 we have 2, take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take 6 as well as quotient and divisor. Now multiply 26 with 6 we have 156, then subtract 156 from 180, so we have 24. Now bring down another pair, so double the value, 6 plus 6 we have 12, 1 carry to the next we have 3. Now take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take 7 as well as quotient and divisor, multiply 327 with 7, so we have 2289. Now subtract 2289 from 2400, so we have 111, and now bring down another pair, so double the value, 7 plus 7 we have 14, 1 carry to the next we have 3. Now take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take a value as well as quotient and divisor, so we have 10029. Now subtract the value, we have up to 3 decimal, square root 2.8 which is equal to 1.673. The next value we have 235.6. we take square root of the value, so firstly we make pair, then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take 1 1s are 1, subtract 1 from 2 we have 1, bring down the pair, we have 135, double the value, 1 plus 1 we have 2, then take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take 5, 25 multiplied by 5 we have 125. Now subtract 125 from 135 we have 10. Now decimal moves upward and bring down the pair 60, so we have 1060. Now double the value, 5 plus 5 we have 10, 1 carry to the next 3, so we take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take 3, so 303. 303 multiplied by 3 we have 909, subtract 909 from 1060 we have 151. Now bring down another pair, so we have a value, then double the value, 3 plus 3 we have 6, take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take 4, so multiply 3064 with 4 we have 12,256. Now by subtraction we have 2,844 and bring down another pair, so we have this value. Now we double the value, 4 plus 4 we have 8, then 3068. Now take a value as well as quotient and divisor, we take 9, multiply this value with 9, so we get this, and by subtraction we have 8,199. It means that up to 3 decimal we have square root 235.6 is equal to 15.349. The next question, question number 6, we have find the value of 125 exponent minus 4 by 3. So we factorize 125. We have 5 raised to power 3. We write as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, then minus 4 by 3, and in the form of power we have 5 raised to power 3 minus 4 by 3. According to this law, a m multiplied by n, which is equal to a m n. So we multiply the powers. We have 5, 3 multiplied by minus 4 by 3, 3 cut with 3, we have 5 raised to power minus 4. Here we have denominator 1. सो हमारे पास जो वैल्यू है वो क्योंकि माइनस में है, इस माइनस को प्लस करने के लिए हम रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, यानी हम 1 को ऊपर और 5 रेज टू पावर 4 जो है उसको नीचे लिखेंगे। तो ये जो माइनस है ये हमारे पास चेंज हो जाएगा प्लस में। नाउ वी हैव 5 रेज टू पावर 4 एंड इफ़ वी टेक 5 रेज टू पावर 4 वी हैव 625 because 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 we have 625. So 1 by 625 is answer. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.